In this video, we will be looking at the different types of maps that there are. The first thing that we're going to look at is what a map actually is. Whenever you're looking at this map, you can see that it is a map of the United States. Whether or not you already know this, or you can see that the title is the United States right here. Now, this map is color-coded to show the different states in the United States. A map is a representation of an area of land or sea showing physical features, cities, roads, etc. So in this map, it is showing the area of a land and the states in it. Why are maps so important? Why do we care about maps? They represent the real world on a much smaller scale. So the world is very big, but on a map, you're looking at it at a smaller view. It helps people travel from one location to another. It helps people to figure out where they are and how to get where they want to go. So on this specific map, it is showing you the physical feature geography of the whole world. Notice the different colors in the different continents. So whenever we're looking at how many types of maps are there, it can basically be narrowed down into 4 different types. There is the physical map, there is a political map, there are topographic maps, and then there's thematic maps. And we will be looking at all 4 of these and what they are and what they show. In a physical map, it is showing the geography features of the location. So again, this map is the United States. It is showing the different colors of the physical features. And in this, it shows what the colors actually mean. This is the legend. So in the green is going to show more forest and areas of trees and mountains. The lighter tan is going to be plains. Whenever you're getting in the darker tan, it's going to be more rocky area. And then we're going back to green. And then the blue is going to be the coast. So from this map, you know that you're going to be looking at mountains. So you can see the oceans that are labeled. You've got the Gulf of Mexico in the south. You've got the Atlantic Ocean in the east and the Pacific Ocean in the west. And physical features that that maps show will be plains, mountains, lakes, oceans, seas, desert, and many more other things. A political map. Now, this is again the United States. A political map can show boundaries of different areas. So in this particular map, it is showing the boundaries of the states in the United States. Each state is color-coded, and that way you can specifically see where the border is for each state. And it also tells you what the state is called. Other political maps may show just the cities of one state, or it can show the countries of a continent. A topographic map, as shown from the United States map here, is showing again the physical features, but it's more pronounced and you can actually see where the elevation is of those physical features. So as you can see, these mountains here in the mid-western area and the mountains here on the eastern side are more elevated. And if this was a map that you were looking at right in front of your face, you could actually feel the elevation and how these physical features, these specific mountains, are more raised than the rest of the map. And these, of course, are the Rocky Mountains, and these on the eastern side are the Appalachian Mountains. The last type of map that we're looking at is a thematic map. Now, there are many, many maps out there, but most of the different maps that you see that have titles of climate or population are going to fall under thematic maps because they have a theme to them. So this map of the United States is the United States of Awesome, and it is what does your state do well? So this is a themed map of the United States and what each state does well. As you can see, we are Texas, and we are known for most wind power production. There are other states that have different awesomeness to them. And we can see that Pennsylvania over here has the most hunters. And California over here has the is safest for workers. So that just gives you a little bit of fun in your types of maps. So in summary, what you should now know about maps is what is a map? Why is it important? How many types of maps are there? What are the different types of maps? And what do the different types of maps look like and show? Now, if you can answer all those questions, you have done great at this video. If not, you can always go back and look at it again to answer one of these questions. Thank you.